Dream Draper allows you to design on a photo. Place your design directly on top of that photo of your client's room. Notice in this example how the window treatment is actually laying on top of that fireplace. That wouldn't happen in real life, and we can make this look more realistic. In this lesson, we're going to show you how you can literally cut that fireplace out so that it lays on top of the window treatment. And you can do it in just a matter of seconds. Your end result will look like this, and it is much more realistic. And here is that part of the fireplace that we cut out of the photo. It's very easy to do. Before you use our crop feature, we do recommend that you take a look at some of our other lessons. Make sure you know how to insert your photo, which is covered in our Design on a Photo lesson. We're also going to be using the drawing features of Dream Draper in order to crop out the photo. So we do suggest that you look at our drawing lesson, our drawing base lesson, and our various lessons on edit points so that you do know how to draw. So now we're ready to begin to cut that fireplace out of that photo. Just highlight that photo and make a copy of it. Now we're going to draw around a portion of that photo. Next, I'm going to select one of the drawing tools. I can use any one of the drawing tools to help me draw around that fireplace that I want to cut out. So in this case, I'm going to use the cubic Bezier tool. And then I'm just going to start to trace around this bottom portion of the fireplace, because this is what I want to place on top of my window treatment. And it's just very easy to do. There, I've traced around that portion of the fireplace. Now I'm going to keep my finger depressed on the Shift key so that I can highlight both that portion of the fireplace and the photo. Then I'm going to go up to here in my top toolbar and click on the new crop icon. There! And look, there is my portion of the fireplace that I just cut out. You can literally do this in a few seconds. Then just place it on top of your window treatment. There. Doesn't that look better? That was so easy. I'm going to do the exact same thing in this example. I want to move that left panel behind that couch. So I highlight my photo, make a copy of it, and then I'm going to use my Bezier curve tool. And I'm just going to trace quickly around this sofa. Just like this. There. Then again, with my finger on the Shift key, I'm going to highlight the photo so that both portions, that sofa that I traced and the photo, are highlighted together. Then I go up here to my top toolbar and I click on the crop icon. There! And as you can see, right here is the part of the sofa that I cut out. And I can move this right on top of my photo and right on top of my treatment. And doesn't that look great? This is so easy.